cool song, isn't it? It's Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. I think it's one of John Lennon's finest songs ever. Super fun to play, and it's not that hard. I'm going to show you the beginner version, and it only has like maybe 4 total chords, and those notes aren't too difficult. So let's just do this thing. It's in D major with a capo on the 2nd fret. D major, capo on the 2nd fret, but instead of playing it like that, I use these fingers so that I can hammer on in a second to the 6th fret of that G string. So open D string, 4th fret of the G string, and then 5th fret of the B string with that finger right there. And strum those like that, and then hit it one time and hammer on that G string from the 4th to the 6th fret. So then pick it again with that finger off, and then take off this finger. So it's not that hard so far, listen. Isn't that cool? And by hitting that note right there, that 5th fret of the B, and maybe ringing out the high E string a little bit, you're sounding really cool like the record. So, and now, take this finger that you just released a second ago, put on the 6th fret of the D string. And it sounds a little weird like that, but if you play it fast, it all comes together. Then take this finger and put it on the 4th fret of the D string. Like that. Hit it pretty good. And then the open G string back to the 6th fret of the D string, and now back to a regular D. So listen. So it's 4th, open, 6th of that D string, and back to the open D string. Then just take everything off and play basically a C major, except you're using these fingers to go like this. You sort of hit the C major, that's the 5th fret of the A string, and 4th fret of the D string, and then the open G string. So really you're going from the 5th of the A to the open D, and then hammer it on, or basically hit everything open like that. So you hit everything open and hammer on that A string to the 4th fret and back off, and you're back to a D major. So that's the whole thing. D major, that's like 90% of the song right there. That's why I spent so much time. And if you go a little reckless, it sounds great. Then it goes, after basically he sings during that whole part, and then it goes to a D minor, to a G major, back to a D minor. And what's cool is if you leave this finger on the 5th fret of the B string, go like this, it's an E minor. So whether you play an E minor with 1 or 2 fingers right there on the 4th fret of the A and the D strings, you leave that 5th fret on the B like that. So hit the open E string, it's an E minor with that 3rd fret on the 5th fret on the B string, and then do an A major. And back to a D major. All that kind of stuff right there. That's it. You basically learn that first part, and then you learn the D minor, G, E minor in the middle, and it's amazing right there. Doesn't it sound great? Let me know how you do in the comments, and I'll see you around the channel.